Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript interview question series. In this video, we will talk about the very common asked interview question, that is, what is the possible way to create an object in JavaScript? So there are several ways to create an object in JavaScript, and I will discuss the most used and common way to create an object. Firstly, come with object literal methods. If I explain the objects are one of core part of JavaScript, and there are multiple ways to create them. If I tell about the objects are one of the most core part of JavaScript, and let me create an object with object literal methods. It is the simple and most commonly used way in JavaScript, object literals. So first, create an variable named person. Object are text, key value pairs. For example, if I declare a key name and it takes a values, same as age, and jobs, now console this. It will printed person data with entire objects. See, person data is printed with entire objects. I can access the my mistake. I can access the only jobs value. If I add a dot at person, I can access the all keys of person object. For example, jobs value, person data, see, person job data, full stack developer. Now we are creating an object with new object constructor. It is the second way by using building object constructor. Let me comment this. This method uses the object constructor function to create an empty object. First, I declare a variable with new object, and I insert key values. Car dot gives a value brand, Toyota, then car dot model. Okay, now I console this. It will print same as previous one. See, car data is printed with the entire objects, and I can access the key values, models Corolla or brand Toyota, dot, then model. See, now we are going to create an object using constructor function. This is the traditional way before ES6 classes were introduced. Let me give the example with code. The constructor function, let me declare a function named person. It will take two parameter, name and ages. To create this object with function constructor, I need to trigger the keys with the values like this dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age. Now it will return name and ages. When I call the JavaScript function with the new keyword, JavaScript automatically create a new object, sets this to point to it and return it. When you call the function with the new keyword, JavaScript automatically create a new object, and new keyword is required for creating the object with function constructor. Let me declare a variable name user, and this is a blueprint of this object, and I can use this blueprint in multiple type. For example, user1 new keywords with person, John, and age will be 30. Let me console this. See, the person is printed, and I can access the values of user1, name, age, what I want. For example, age, and I print this. Yeah, see, it's 30. Now we will cover the ES6 classes, ES6 classes object. So class class name with student, and make sure the S should be capital letter. And a constructor, and constructor will be name and roles. Its syntax is same as the previous one with this. Yeah, it's the blueprint of the object, and I can access from same as the previous one, const student1. Same as new student, and role 100. Now let me console this. See, Asad info student with the object. This is the fourth way to create an object. Now we are going to create the fifth way using Object.create. Let me comment this. Okay, now we are going to create an object with Object.create. And it's a interesting way to creating an object. It's allow a specific prototype. If I declare a variable names proto, and I can declare a function inside this, and automatically function name will be create. Okay, now I create an object with Object.create. Let me declare a variable name object. Object.create, and I pass the proto. Now I can access the grid by this object. See, hello from prototype is printed. This method is powerful when you want to control inheritance manually. These are the main ways to create an object in JavaScript. Knowing them all shows a strong JavaScript fundamentals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe